Right. So two. Yeah, we're good. We're going. Okay, so weekly. I've only got like 10 minutes to do this. This is going to be really quick. But I'm gonna try and do these more consistently. Going forward because I'm starting to do this quite consistently regarding getting paid. So I don't know. Let's just go. Trade disclaimer has to come on that now. Please read and understand everything. What am I doing? Here. Okay, so let's turn where brightness is all the way up. Yeah, so we've just had a war, World War III basically start, expecting a pretty severe gap down in terms of the weekly. Keep it to ES first because everything just follows this badge, yeah. Expecting these lows to get taken, a close somewhere down here. This is I don't know what this line is, but this is what I'm expecting to hold. If not, it would be a retest around this region on the weekly, because these levels might come into play soon. Daily, just a big range, that's the daily order block. Down here, these lows should get protected at 600. But there's quite a nice level. But obviously I trade the 1 minute, so I don't really care too much. Just about recognizing where you think it's going to go. I wouldn't take... I don't really want to take these longs here. The shorts, this value or high could be good, but the bigger resistance is up here. Realistically, this was the short, right? And we did short it. But yeah, that was the short, I guess. And we actually shorted here as well, but they're all close now. But yeah, so I've got the boxes, this IB key, SP around this area is going to be a nice short if we come and take it. On the way down, I like this bottom one. That could give us a nice, like, medium time frame reaction. But if we gap down below, here, the better play is going to be on back test, so if we gap to this area, which is literally in 20 minutes now, down to here, what I would be looking for a back test to then take it down a bit more. But it's about a fact of, do we get a short squeeze? Once we gap down, we range, do we get a really short squeeze and then we come down again? That would be the better play. Because as soon as we gap down, most likely what's going to happen is we're going to rise a bit, people will be entering these shorts, so if we gap down to here, we'll rise, short, 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 short. It might even come and take the current day open, and then once I was like, okay, this is just crazy, then we'll see a flush. So yeah, that's the two plays. So like a backtest play for lower. It's hard for me to describe it, right? But a backtest for lower could play it on these lows as well. These lows, these value areas. Because people are going to get out of this market, especially this market. This market severely. This is oil. What am I talking about? Yeah, just fucking, honestly, just long oil. Like, just long oil. Gold, don't know, probably won't touch gold. The oil long is more... What was that? The oil long is more stable. Again, with you, could see a reaction down here. I don't expect it to be crazy, to be honest, because like the situation is kind of stable. It just depends how bearish on the US economy these people are, which might be severely, right? I mean, I'm pretty sure this is just big hands offloading positions, to be honest. Wouldn't really want to buy these levels. The next levels are going to be below the range low. That they are like, oh god, that looks so different to it, yes. Ah, no, not really. It's just lower. You know, the next levels are going to be, you know, back test of these highs. That is going to be the next level. You know, we've got these lows there. We've back tested them nicely. If that doesn't hold, it's going to be these buys there. See if these people pull them. But yeah, those are the two plays. We're most likely gonna have to wait until tomorrow morning because I feel like we're gonna new month, new PA. That's what's just gonna happen. In terms of other shit, oil. I want to put our buys in that we're gonna gap above. So is that just like crazy high? Yes. Let's get you on a daily. Damn. Yeah, we're taking that high. When was that? No idea. But yeah, we're probably going to come up, sweep some of these highs with oil. It's going to get extremely expensive. Um, yeah. But mostly for these opens, it's just going to be PA. And that's kind of all I've got. I'll try and do more strategies and more stuff. But that's basically it. I might actually live stream the open and see if I can get any buys in oil. Right.